I got double flip, baby.
No way.
Yeah!
Lo's been practicing at home with a plunger skateboard.
Oh, Houston, we got a little problem. Stop! All right, I had this brilliant or maybe really, really bad idea. You decide. I thought, you know what we should do? We should make plungers on the bottom of a skateboard. I don't know if this would work. I don't know if it would bounce you at all. I don't know if you could kickflip, but this was good or bad idea. Leave it in the comments below. We're here today at the world's second greatest store, second only to the best store in the world, Home Depot, who's currently just very close to giving me a full sponsorship. I'm just kidding. Never even talked to them in my whole life. But Target, they could sponsor me too. So Target, if you're watching this video, hook it up. Maybe you could give me some plungers. Can you imagine? Oh, I got sponsored by Target. I'm so stoked. What'd they give you? A single plunger. Oh, how much does that cost? $13. One thing that's good about this is we have a lot of friends here.
That is actually true.
Met more friends here in this Target than I've ever had in my whole life.
It'd be much more entertaining to see you carry around 4 plungers.
4? I was just gonna go 2.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because big plungers on both sides and then just boom, boom.
Oh, okay, yeah.
But the secret is, how do you attach this to the board? That's the big problem. That must be solved somehow, some way.
I have an idea.
All right, well, first off, my question for you is, have you seen the guy on TikTok that throws plungers and gets it stuck to signs?
No.
He's like super viral.
Really?
Yeah, he's super viral, and he takes plungers and he'll go to stores and he'll ask the manager if he can stick his plunger to their store logo, and then they say yes. And then it got to the point where he was being invited to stores around the country to stick his plunger to it.
Can you come and stick your plunger on Braille Skateboarding Warehouse?
But I think we should do something like that. Set it up and then throw the plunger at stuff.
Well, first of all, where's the plungers?
Household supplies.
That's the poop section?
Yeah.
You know this section well.
Very well. Oh, dude, they got so many. Wow. Oh, that one's a weird one.
Yeah, but look, is there a screw? Is there like any way that you could attach this? Oh, hold up.
Huh. Maybe get some washers.
To just screw it into the board, you know what I mean?
Why did I even have this idea? Am I the dumbest person alive? Please leave that in the comments below. Yes, I want your answer.
We should try to find a flat one, though.
Even though this is super clean, I just feel like I've just touched tons of poop.
Yeah, probably did. You never know what Target's return policy is on used plungers. Oh, this one is massive. The Mega Plunge.
Yeah, but how do you attach that?
How deep will you
No,
plunge?
that you don't need. You cannot attach that anywhere. You know where I think we need to go is literally the dollar store.
Why?
Back in my day, plunger didn't have this section. It was just that, and that was it.
Yeah, yeah.
And you could stick it to things. Watch. Nothing. Although this might pop more for our purposes.
Okay, okay. Oh, monster flip?
This is, and honestly, this is at $4.99.
Oh, there we go.
It's kind of saving us a deal.
Oh, oh. Wow.
How was that first
Wow.
forking try? All right, let's get out of
He's
here.
using the force.
Nothing like intimidation until you see someone at Target walking around with 2 plungers in their hand.
Yeah.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Well, we're currently at Target buying 2 plungers to put onto a skateboard.
You think that's gonna work? Actually, do you think that's gonna work?
No.
Why?
With the sticks?
No, no,
Oh,
you
we'll
take
take it
the
off the
sticks
sticks.
off. Come on, we're builders.
Oh yeah, I think that'll be golden.
You think we can kickflip it?
Oh yeah, yeah, yep. I'm gonna say 100% kickflip.
All right, we heard it here first.
I don't really know who comes up with these ideas. Wait, I do. I come up with these ideas. We're at dinner with my wife, and she's like, "What are you thinking about, hun?" And I'm like, "Putting plungers on a skateboard." And she's like, "This relationship has got to end." Just kidding. I'm happily married. Been happily married for 12 years. Shout out my beautiful, lovely wife. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drill a hole through this.
Oh, it's solid in there?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
And then I'm gonna drill a hole through this. We need like room to pop, right?
It's extremely uncentered.
No, it's not. Gabe Cruz the hater. I'm gonna start a website. It's gonna be called IHateGabeCruz.org.
That'd be like the 3rd one. Uzi, you think this is gonna work? Whoa,
Uzi,
whoa,
get it,
whoa,
Uzi,
whoa, whoa,
Uzi,
whoa,
yeah,
whoa.
yeah.
I was not breaking it. You can make fire like this. Oh my god, that would work so good.
Hey, Uzi, grab me this flathead screwdriver, will you? If we're ever stranded, Uzi's not in charge of making fire.
No.
Improvisation. Okay, so what we got in there is a washer and a long hardware.
Where's the dryer?
In my garage, I guess?
I think it's time to flush this build down the toilet.
The ultimate goal here is to kickflip the plunger.
Oh, yeah.
It's not working. He's loud.
Who would have thought? Oh, I have an idea. Wait. Aaron,
Wait,
hold up. Just get a few bearings and put them as spacers.
Hey, Uzi, can you grab me some bearings?
Some spacers?
Are all the bearings?
That's that's the best idea you've had all week.
Work smarter, not harder. You know?
Yep.
And then like this.
Yep, exactly.
But look at that beauty.
Oh yeah.
Call up some plumbers and be like, we invented a new thing. Kickflip to poop plunge.
Dang.
Also, how's that positioning?
It's pretty good, man. I feel like plumbers are going to be clogging up our comments. Did you just break the drill bit inside the plastic?
I didn't even know that could happen.
Le perfection.
Hey, Aaron, if this doesn't work, would you say this will be a bidet?
Bidet.
Bad day. Come on!
Okay, y'all. This is the moment y'all been waiting for. First of all, just look at that. Plunger skateboard. Who came up with this idea?
You!
I know, I'm a genius. Whoa. Wait, listen to that.
Oh, that sounds nice. Pull up ASMR, right here.
Yeah,
Let it drop.
doesn't...
Let it drop. Yes. Wow.
Good luck, dog. Are you kidding? She hasn't had her shots yet. This is the most deadliest place to be. It's a literal plunger skateboard. Are you crazy?
Yeah, good.
Should we just go to the kickflip first try?
I don't know. I think you should go for the drop in.
The kick in and a drop in. There's no wheels. You want to drop in, Mowgli?
Are you gonna, what do you call this?
Plunger skateboard. What do you mean?
The plunge.
Isn't that a abandoned haunted water park in Hayward called the Plunge?
Is it?
I think so.
Let's go. It's Halloween.
Yeah. Just the ultimate test. Oh.
Dang it. I didn't expect it to be that flat. I don't know, what did I expect? Stop! Stop!
No!
I built the best thing ever.
Wait, what did it feel like? Did it like
It
pop
felt
you?
like
Did it pop you?
Yes.
No.
It plunged me out
No
of the
way.
water.
You gotta be kidding me.
No, watch.
You gotta be kidding me. You got varial?
I got double flip, baby.
No way.
Oh, all right, that was harder.
That's crazy.
Oh, Houston, we got a little problem. Hold up.
What's the problem?
We done bent it in there.
Oh, that's fine.
It might even be better, to be honest.
Yeah, because remember you were worried about the hardware being too long.
It's a safer way to learn how to kickflip?
Nah, this is a way to flush your skate demons.
Oh, flush them out?
Yep.
You ready? V-flip. This one's for my main man, G-Cruise.
What do you call something that cleans a toilet?
A plunger.
A sponge.
Okay, one more try.
All right, come on, you
Then
got
we're
it.
gonna get a game of skate going on this. Okay, no practice. Let's go.
Put the phone down, Dan. What are
I
you
saw
doing?
this comment when Uzi kicked with a snowboard. Said that's the first time I've seen him without his phone.
Little did
That's where they were wrong.
He had his phone the whole time.
Oh, Aaron's
Dang,
first.
clean swoop.
Dang.
Gabe, if I miss this, I've just literally landed 2 in a row. And if I miss this one, it counts?
Just scream at the top of your lungs and flush all your demons.
No, we don't scream anymore. The people in the comments been complaining too much. We just want to give them a nice, quiet video.
Dude, that's never stopped me.
How perfection was that?
Really good. You can't win unless you try.
Yeah.
You can't win unless you try. Uzi, 2022. Wow. How did he do that first
was
try?
Actually impressive.
I thought he was a giraffe on roller skates. Now
I mean,
realize
he is, but he still landed it.
Ooh, it actually.
Have you ever tried a bidet?
Yes. No, and I won't.
When's the last time you've had to plunge your toilet?
Come on, I'm filming this one. Come
It's
on,
been a long time.
I'm filming this one.
You got it.
Yep, count it.
I'm gonna count that.
Yep, that is good.
Defense.
But only because you have that fire haircut.
Whoa.
Wait, let's do the haircut.
You ever be You ever be,
He said, nah,
you ever
come on.
be-
Don't call it a comeback. He's been here for years.
I was defending.
Fork. Uzi, you're up.
Shout out the people who made the music from SpongeBob.
Hurry before the plungers break off.
All right, something I've never tried before.
A heel flip?
My turn.
Something tells me you did try that before. I was trying to switch because I was using the nose too.
Wow.
Wait, what'd you do?
No way he cannot do that.
That's good.
That was good. Por qué? Por qué?
Yeah, we got a little mini one holding up production today.
No way, Glow.
Yeah, that's
How did you roll that?
That's good. I've been practicing my knowledge flips.
If I miss this, I want to see Glow's haircut. Wow! Wow!
This is the best board
How am I so landed that?
This is how you do the nollie flip. You take your leg and you stick it in the air, right? And you get the
Oh!
other one, you put it right up there.
Oh!
Oh, wow.
Bars.
So if you miss
Give
this,
a great
that's
big
not how
lunge.
you do it.
UziCanSwitchFlip.org.
Yep. That is not how you do it, fellas.
Give that
S
man
for
a
you?
S?
Hey, my bad. You know, I'm a little rusty skating skateboards with the plunger wheel.
Yeah, true.
Can you be rusty at something you've never done before?
Yeah,
Leave in the comment.
only Uzi can.
Oh.
What was you trying?
3 shove.
Are you?
I don't know about that toe, ref.
Nah, that's good.
We'll give it to him just because he got a new haircut, you know, he's tripping. Okay, shove it, body varial.
And that's a letter.
I love how I landed better than him and he said, that's a letter. I'll take my S.
Hey, you
I'll take
landed
my
better
S.
than me.
Nope. I'm giving you a letter for that. Fit more than 50% of your foot was
Mine
on
not
the
like
floor,
that. There was just
not
a
on the
slight
board.
tilt.
That's a K.
No.
One hand?
That's a redo.
Redo.
We'll give you a rebate. Yep,
That's
that's
a
a
letter.
letter. Glow Nation is sweeping the
Push up.
nation.
Dang!
Yeah.
Hey, that's not fair. Hey, Glow's been practicing at home with the plunger skateboard.
Let me get him. Oh, shit. Fresh up.
I'll count that.
Count it, that was beautiful.
Ah.
If you would have just stayed on, just relax. Okay, that was pretty
Okay.
good.
No way,
Stop.
bro!
Stop!
Yep.
Nollie Hill?
I'm on fire. No way.
SK!
There's no way I
Or
was getting
AK.
Dang it, SK?
About to be a T for Mowgli.
Nope.
Yep.
Took that rock out of my shoe, so
Yep.
I'm feeling
That
better.
rock was helping you land stuff.
You ain't Nollie Hill this. Double plunger Nollie Hill.
SKAT!
First try.
You got Mo to T already.
I got him a T yesterday.
Nollie, stop ruining the plunge.
Uh-oh.
Was that Nollie?
That's SKA.
Get out of here with that airbag.
That was a nice
Yeah.
varial.
I could have called that,
That was
one.
a nice varial. Okay, I'm gonna varial flip it right in his face. Just for that Nollie Hill right in my
Really?
face. Yes.
Dang.
What?
I'm gonna count that. I'm gonna count that. What'd you do right there?
Varial flip.
Nope, you kept him alive. Thank you for your service.
You're welcome.
I don't know how
You got one more try, Mo. Mo, you're out of here.
Get out of here. Somebody needs to do the handrail. Mo,
I think she's trying to sleep.
Go ahead.
get in there. Monster.
Go ahead.
And after this, we'll take you to Taco
Go
Bell.
ahead. Then you. Oh. Hey, there you go. Good girl.
That's T.
That's sweet for you, buddy.
Flush that down the toilet. Dude.
Whose turn is it? It's my turn.
All right, Uzi, now's the time to take over this game like nobody except for you could do.
That's where you're right.
What were you
That
trying?
was the single worst attempt I've ever seen.
The wind got me. That's why you
Oh,
feeling it?
Aaron, look at
That's
the
why you feeling
look at
it
the
today?
board.
I know.
You ain't nothing but a hand.
Okay, right here. Kick flip,
Interstellar.
body varial.
Wow. Wow.
Take that, party animals.
Django and Chain. I don't know if I can count that.
What do you mean? That was clean.
Was that clean?
You did a 360 body varial on accident.
All right, do the real trick, Dan.
How in the world? How in the world?
Kickflip body varial.
I didn't set it.
Aaron said it.
You landed it?
Yeah.
No way.
Twice in a row, to be honest.
Make it 3.
Damn.
Yeah.
Damn.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Big spin.
No.
My turn?
The whole back foot was off.
What? Get out of here.
No
Ain't no way.
Yeah.
Give me a rebate at least.
No way. Come on, Aaron.
Alright, ready?
You gotta call it in advance anyways. I love how hard he flicked that.
Come on, bro. You're taking all day.
You won't.
You need to relax. How about that?
Oh, I tried to twist it up.
I invented this plunger board. I'm gonna see this through. Big spin.
I will count that.
Little slide there at the end.
Yeah. How did you pop your big spin on a plunger board more than I do on my regular board? Uzi! Uzi!
It did. Nothing
Come
counts.
on.
You gotta
Come
wait
on.
for the camera, brother.
Yeah, we got.
Alright, whatever.
So Uzi literally does the most perfect backside big spin ever, and Gabe doesn't film it.
No, don't say that. I was filming you. Commentary in between tricks is more
Filmer.
important than the tricks sometimes.
What? Letter that man up right now.
That's my
Letter that
favorite
man
trick.
up. That backside big spin was regular. Now I'm gonna do it fakey.
I knew it!
No, I'm just kidding. I can't. Okay. Switch front shove.
No way.
I'm not yelling. I'm not yelling. I'm
My
not
turn.
yelling.
My turn.
You guys should just fight and not finish the game.
I'm gonna actually punch Uzi if he lands this. What are you trying? You gotta call it.
Impossible.
No way.
I honestly, I would have counted that.
Not me. I'd have been like, no
There's
rap.
No rap. Yep, exactly. 3 shot.
No comment by anyone.
This is offense. I just want to remember that.
3 shot.
He said. Remember, it's offense.
3 shot.
Yeah!
Hey, this is
We're
offense.
talking short,
Hey,
baby.
this is offense.
We'll give it to him.
Letter! That's T!
And he'll.
All
I'll give it
I'll
to him.
count that, but do
I'd
it
like to
again.
remind you that's defense.
Yeah,
On defense, that counts. Yeah, that's
Wow.
defense,
Yeah.
bro. Somebody please just realize how good this worked. None of you thought this was gonna work. You guys non-believers. No, he gotta call that. You can't be calling that. You gotta call that.
That was good. That was good. Yeah, one more try. I'm sorry, Aaron.
Dang.
That is it. All right, Uzi, you have 2 tries to land the 3 shove body barrel. If you don't, Glow is the winner, and he just smoked Aaron in his own invention.
Come on, it's too easy.
I mean, he is really good at plunging. Wasn't even a pun. That was really good.
Oh, yeah, dude, you got this.
That's
for
very
sure,
close.
Dude. 100% got this.
We spin in the next one and land on it.
Shout out
Dunk it.
Nirvana.
There's a bee or something. Lucky.
Wow.
Well, give us a little victory
Wow.
speech.
Some people call this luck. Some people call it luck. Some people call it skill.
What do you call it?
And some people call it talent.
Hey, you're the world's best plunger skater.
Yeah, so if there's any other plungers out there, man, and if you want to come compete, talk to us. We could get something done. We could play online. We could play on FaceTime or something. So with that being said, we love plungers.
Check out all the videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and let me know what you think I should make into a skateboard next. We made this video to inspire more new people to learn how to ride a skateboard. So if you're watching this and you're not skateboarding right now, go to brailleskateboarding.com, get a skateboard, and start learning. Let's go.